Many people out there in their lives, they want their life to be better, right? They say that insanity is doing something over and over and over again, the same, but expecting something to be different, right? So bringing you exercises of Qigong, teaching you different breath patterns, teaching you how to stand certain ways, teaching you how to change your posture. I hope for your sake and for everyone else's that you are using these things when you need them the most. Don't just use them in class. Use them when you need them the most. Use them when you're not sleeping at night. Use them when you have anxiety. Use them when you have depression. Get outside and move your body, or get out in the living room and move your body.
So when it comes to change and when it comes to transformation, in my opinion, because I couldn't do it any other way, you have to incorporate different levels of the training. You have to train the intellect. At least you'd be wise to. You have to practice opening the heart, for example, with meditation. So standing tree meditation or seated meditation, perhaps doing healing work with others or on others, so to speak, practicing mantra, things of this nature. You have to work with the physical body. If you don't work with the physical body, and there are gurus, for example, who don't really work with the physical body anymore, they just sit there, and that's fine because they've gotten to a place where they really just, for whatever reason, they don't care about this plane anymore, right? They're ready to move on. They're no longer identified with the kinds of problems and challenges you once had. They know, I'm not that. And they're done with training or even feeding the physical body. And some of these hardcore gurus, for example, attain a state. They sit around in samadhi, they're blissed out, and then one day their body just drops. And a lot of times the guru will say, for example, the Avatar Babaji said, on this particular date of Valentine's Day, I'm going to stop my heart, I'm going to leave my body. And that's exactly what he did. And he wasn't exactly old either. So anyway, we are multi-dimensional beings. And so here's my advice to you simply. Start training something. Train your physical body, train your mind, train your intellect, train your breath, train how you walk, train your attitude, train your brain in various ways. I said that already with the intellect, but train your brain in terms of go out and get some skills, develop some skills. And if you want another shortcut, I'll give you another one here, and I give this to a lot of my Qigong students, okay? I am certifying, my wife is certifying, and various boards we're certifying Qigong instructors, right? So one way of getting out there and doing something different is learn Qigong, master yourself, and then go out there and prove it. Prove that you're mastering yourself. Prove that you're mastering yourself by going out there and teaching something to somebody else. When you go out and teach things to other people, you find out real quick whether you've got your game on or not. And it's okay to go out and fall down. It's okay to go out and fail. It's okay to go out and not teach your best class. That's probably why the universe only gives you 1 or 2 or 5 people to begin with, right? Just so you can get your game on. When you're ready for bigger numbers, they'll come. So until that time, train. Because when you do that, not only do you train your own mind and have the opportunity to train it even further and refine it even more, you're doing the good karmic service of doing good for somebody else. And as you give, so shall you receive. And that is a law that Jesus stated. And that is a law that Buddha called karma. And that law continues to be the law. It is the law, sometimes called the law of attraction, right? These days, New Age. The law has always been present.